Coming up on the Dot Connector this week, we're covering a wide range of subjects, aren't we, Dad?
We are. We're talking about my experience with a guy called James Delingpole, which fits perfectly into my contention that the alternative media, the mainstream part of it, has been hijacked by here and no further people who basically have come in relatively recently, in this case very recently, and as a result know nothing about the big picture, and very clearly, from my experience of him, has no desire to know the big picture. And also, of course, coming on from that, we've got the mainstream alternative media seeing the events of the week, like Wilders in the Netherlands being the biggest party, and Milei in Argentina becoming the president, etc., being a really great thing. Well, we'll be discussing about whether that really is the case.
Yeah, we're also going to be looking at some evidence to do with Antarctica and how the melting of the ice caps happened many years before CO2 was even a thing, and various other topics. So tune in, 7 p.m, ickonic.com.
See you then.